Hey guys, all right, so I'm just jumping on here just to chat with you guys. It is so hot out. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been running around all morning. Let's chat about what's been going on, where I've been. I got some tea for you guys. Should we start with the tea? Okay, so you guys know that I have made videos in the past about Sydney L. She's a scammer in the reselling community. She's just a slime ball, basically. So back in March, Sydney scammed this girl on Facebook. One of you guys sent me a post from this Facebook group. I have a video talking more about it. I'm not really going to go into detail, but basically Sydney found this girl online who wanted to rent a room. She was probably was never going to rent a room. She just wanted to steal her fucking money. She ended up stealing $600 from this girl, and her and I messaged each other back and forth on Facebook. So basically I told this girl, I'm like, you're not the only one that Sydney scammed. There's been many people. And she's like, what the fuck? Are you serious? So I said, yeah, you should probably get a lawyer and try to get your money back. Well, she got a lawyer and she got her money back from scammer Sydney. There's the messages. I would have loved to seen Sydney's face when she was contacted by the lawyer, because she's gotten away with so much shit, but you know what? Not this time. So there's some good news. What else can we talk about? Whatnot has been taking up all of my time. I'm literally obsessed with it. It is so much fun. I have a show tomorrow night, Saturday, July 23rd. I'm doing an activewear show. It's going to be mostly Lululemon. It's going to be so much fun. I'm giving away prizes. Hold on, let me grab. The first 6 people that spend at least $25 will get one of these Lululemon bags filled with goodies, and then the person that spends the most will get a Lululemon gift card. I'm so excited. It's gonna be the first 6 people that spend $25. They will automatically get to choose one of these bags. I'm gonna have them numbered. And yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. So I'll have a link to that show down below. I've seriously just been having so much fun with Whatnot. I was in a show the other night, and I think I witnessed some shill bidding, which you can't do that shit. Basically, shill bidding is, doing like fake bids in order to drive up the price of an item. And I'm pretty sure that happened a couple of times. There's some pre-bids that looked a little sketchy. When you go to that person's profile, they're only following that one person and like a couple of other random people. No profile picture, just looking a little sketchy. So I don't know for sure, but it looked like that to me, so that's not cool. A little update on the Nicole State situation. If you guys don't know, I'll link a video down below that explains more, but basically she came into one of my live shows and was just like fake as fuck. Acted like super nice, and she didn't know who I was, and she even bought something from me. I ended up canceling the sale. I contacted Whatnot first because I didn't want to get in trouble for canceling the sale, so I contacted Whatnot. I explained the situation to them in detail. And yeah, they canceled the sale. So that was good. A lot of you guys are like, she probably just wants to know your address. And I do have a P.O. box, and it's not in the city that I live in. So yeah, but I don't want her. I just didn't want to risk it, you know. A couple of you guys were like, maybe she wanted to buy something from you and then give you like a really bad rating, or, you know, open it up on camera and say that the item was damaged. Who knows what her motive was? I think her little friend group knows what her motive was. But I'm not playing fucking games. Like, nope. I have her blocked. She can't come into any of my shows anymore, which is great. So yeah, that was just like, what the fuck? Like, no, I'm not playing games with you. And again, guys, mark my word, if she speaks out about this, she's going to 1,000,000% claim that she does not know who I am, which is bullshit. Again, there's no way in fuck that one of her family members contacted me, but Nicole doesn't know who I am. Like, there's just no way. There's just no way. So yeah, not playing those games, not playing those childish, mean girl, whatever the fuck games, not happening. Oh, a lot of you guys are asking who her friend was, and I am just gonna say her name. It was the Deal Queen. They're like best friends. Both of them came into my stream. They were being super nice. I don't trust either of them, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. What else? Oh, guys, I went to the bins for the first time in like 2.5 years. I think it was the fall of 2019, right before COVID hit, was the last time I went to the bins. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I went on a super hot day, so it was literally hell in there. It was so hot. And then the people there were just so rude. They were just, did I talk about this in a video, or did I talk about this on Whatnot? I feel like I talked about this on Whatnot. But yeah, the people were just so rude. Like, I don't understand. Okay, there's a big clothing bin. I don't understand the ones that come over to the bin, take a fucking handful of clothes, and then just throw them. It's like, what are you doing? You're not even looking at the shit that you're throwing, and you're throwing the clothes in my face? Like, fuck off. What are you doing? I don't understand that. It's like, you think that there's buried treasure at the bottom of the bin? Like, what are you doing? They're literally just, and they make those noises too. It's like, what are you doing? Like, I'm gonna make a video talking about the types of people that are at the bins, because there definitely are types of people that are at the bins. You know, you have those ones that throw shit. You have the super polite ones. Actually, there was one girl that was really, really, really nice. She had like a laundry basket full of clothes, and it was like in front of the bin. She's like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I'll move this for you. I'm like, oh no, you're fine. Like, she was super nice. But I would say like 90% of the people there were so rude, and they'll literally just like, it's like there's no concept of personal space. They'll literally just grab something in front of you and they'll touch you, and it's like, get the fuck away from me. And then you get the ones that are wearing a mask, but they're not wearing gloves. Like, okay, you're wearing a mask because germs and shit, but you're not wearing gloves, and then you're touching your face. Like, make that make sense. I'm gonna make a whole video because I feel some type of way about the bins now. And yeah, I mean, obviously you can find really good deals there, but I don't know. I just don't think it's worth the hassle, in my opinion. It's just not for me. It's just not for me. What else can we talk about? Oh, guys, there's a certain person on Whatnot that is selling time slots, like on his account, $250 an hour. This is the word on the street. $250 an hour to use a 1 hour time slot on his account to sell to his followers. You can't do that shit. You can't do that shit unless they're considered an employee. Then that's fine. But if they're just some random person, especially if they don't have their own Whatnot account, like, you can't do that shit. You can't do that shit. And this might give it away, but this particular person recently got kicked off a big platform for doing other shady shit. So yeah, there are already sketchy people on Whatnot that are trying to cheat the system and basically just ruin it for everyone else, and that's not cool. We already had some resellers ruin it. The $1 shipping. It used to be if you purchase one item, then each additional item is $1, but resellers ruined that for people because they decided to just fuck that all up and cheat the system. And it's just like, what, these people are losers. Like, stop. I think that's everything I got for you guys, but I just wanted to get on here and just kind of update you guys. I've totally been slacking on making YouTube videos. Yeah, I need to do some type of schedule. I need to figure shit out, basically. I will have a link to my show tomorrow, my Lululemon show. It's going to be so much fun. Again, the prices, again, I keep saying again. The prizes are going to be awesome. Seriously, you don't want to miss it. The link will be below. And that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.